Hello, and today we are going to solve this statistical questions. Let's get on to the question. What does the question have to say? This is the given data for calories in meals. The table above lists the number of calories in each of Mary's last 10 meals. Okay, so these are the 10 meals and each of the calories that each and every meal had in her last 10 meals. If a 900 calorie meal that she had today is added, so there is one 900 calorie meal, but another 900 calorie meal is added to this data. So there will be two data sets that we are going to talk about later in here in Dismos. So if a 900 calorie meal that she had today is added to the values listed, which of the following statistical measure will not change? So it's actually a very easy question to do on the Desmos, because you just have to fill out the data and pull out the values of median, mode, and range. So let me just put all the values here. Okay, we are done with filling these value. So in this scenario we have to take two cases. Okay, in one case we'll take one data set and we'll put these credentials as it is. So you can see these are actually 10 element set. So and in the another data set we have to add another value of 900. So it will be as it is as this value, but we will add another 900 and it will become an 11 element list. So let's fill up that. So as you can see, I have created an additional list of element with another 900 as instructed from the question. And now we can just simply take out these three mean, mode, and range values. So let's get to the work. Sorry, median A, uh, so mode and range is actually very easy to pull out. So and I also see that there is not an option to pull out the mode function. So no worries, the main problem was our median. So you can see median here, median for A and B, 10 element list and 11 element list, both are same. So the question is actually asking will not change, so median will not change. Okay, we have got that median will not change. Let's see what does the mode function have to say. Mode, what's the mode called? Mode is that element which has the highest frequency, that has been repeated the most. So let's see, the element 550 I see in both element A and B is repeated the most, that is 4 times 550 550 550 550. So mode will be same for both both data sets. So let's go to the range. So the highest and the lowest, the range means the highest value minus the smallest value. So in both data set we can say, in the both data in the another data set B, what have we done? We have just added another 900. So 900 minus 500 for data set will be, data set A will be 400 of range, and for range of data set B, that will also be another 900 minus 500. Okay, so that will be also 400. So median will also not change, neither will mode, and neither will range. So all of this data won't change. So our answer will be D. Either first, second, third will nothing will change. So that's our answer. Thank you.